Okay, so it just started hailing like less than 5 minutes ago. Or 3 minutes ago probably. But they're big. You can see them. Oh shoot. They're pretty big. We put some in the freezer already. Look it. Hold this. Just hold it. I'm gonna empty out the pool so we can probably catch some in there. I need to move this. And this pillow. Sorry. I think for the most part the hail stopped already. Oops, sorry. Yeah, now it's just rain. But you can see all those big chunks over there. You can see these are the like smaller sized ones. Look at yeah, look at these. Look at all these right here. Ah, it's cold. You can see how big they are next to my feet.
They're really
Yeah, look at Michael. Okay, let's go inside. Come on.